Yeah, we're going to step out with your right foot. You're going to push your hip forward and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, turn around. Left, 2, 3, turn around. Right, 2, 3, turn around. Left, 2, stay right there. Okay? Your arms are going to go scoop down and up, way up to touch the EE. Scoop down and up. Okay, here we go. Ready? 5, 6, here we go. Push. 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 Stay there. Your EEs are in front of you, okay? 4 is in the center. So here we are here. Our EEs are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you are here. You're going to have to make a great big turn to get back up there. Swoosh. Okay? Let's take it from the Toma down from here. Raise him.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stay to the front. So after you've gone swish, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, stay here. The next part is easy. Listen to the drum beat. It goes 1, 2, 3, roll. 2, 3. It's great. It's the left arm. It's the left arm. I'm your mirror, okay? So it goes, I'm your mirror. So if I use this hand, you use the same hand. Okay, ready? 1, step, step, and here, step, and here, okay? 4. Okay, I have from the boom, boom, boom. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Put this foot down. 2, 3. Okay, so it's da da. No kick on the second one, okay? Let's mark it from the up part, and then I'll see what you guys, I'll be right there. From the up part, ready? 5, 6, 7, and